Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we bring to you the best tips for healthier and happier you. Today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for your overall well-being. Every topic is crucial, but this one is exceptional: your gut health. We will explore what your gut actually is, the root causes of digestive problems, the consequences of neglecting your gut health, and most importantly, some amazing foods that can improve your gut health. Without further delay, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, this is the right time for you to do so, and also click that bell next to it so that you get notified anytime I post a video. But before I go, do you know one thing? Why this video is very important? Because it's talking about the most important aspect of your health, which is your gut health. Have you heard that every disease starts from the gut? So if your gut health is thriving well at the utmost level, you are super duper a healthy person. So you have to prioritize your gut health by sticking to this channel, by subscribing and click that notification bell, and also watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't miss any. Pick your pen and your paper and stay glued to the end of this video. Okay, I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm sure you are excited as I am. First of all, what exactly is the gut? Your gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, is a complex system that starts from your mouth and ends at your rectum. It plays a vital role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste from the mouth to the rectum. I hope you understand that. But it's not just about digestion. Your gut is also home for trillions of bacteria, and that is why this particular gut health is very important. It's a home for trillions of bacteria, collectively known as gut microbiome, which have a huge impact on your overall health. So, what causes digestive problems? There are several factors at play here. Poor diet, like diet high in processed foods and low in fiber, can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. Stress, like lack of sleep and certain medications, can also negatively affect your gut. When this balance is off, it can lead to certain issues like bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and even more serious conditions like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Ignoring your gut health can have far-reaching consequences beyond just digestive discomfort. Poor gut health is linked to a range of issues like weakened immunity, mental health problems, yes, like anxiety and depression, and even chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Taking care of your gut is essential for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Let's quickly discuss the food that can improve your gut health and how you can incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits. The number one is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are known for their digestive properties. They contain anethole. Anethole helps to relax the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating and gas. To use fennel seed, you can chew a teaspoon after meal or brew into a soothing tea, like use it to make your tea. Just dip a teaspoon of fennel seed in hot water for about 10 minutes and enjoy. But it's preferable to be taken after meal, especially if you're the type that experience digestive issues right after eating. Try fennel seed. Just chew few of it after your meal. Next is grapes. Grapes are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help maintain a healthy gut by promoting good bacteria and reducing inflammation. You can snack on grapes throughout the day, and you can also add them to your salad or blend them into smoothies. They are delicious and easy way to support your gut health by snacking on grapes. Ginger is another fantastic food for you. We know it as a spice. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce nausea, especially with the type that feel nauseous right after eating. Fresh ginger can be grated into hot water to make ginger tea. It can be added to your stir fries or blended into smoothie or your juice. You can also use powdered ginger in baking or cooking. You just have to be creative in your addition to your meal. Be creative about it and enjoy this amazing spice to support your gut health. Let's talk about oats. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate digestion and feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Start your day with a bowl of oats. Use oats in baking or add it to some smoothies for fiber boost. Overnight oats are also a convenient and delicious option. Just mix oats with your favorite milk and let them sit in the fridge overnight. Then the next morning you can enjoy your fiber-rich meal. We have not done justice to this video if you don't talk about this very essential one for your gut health, which is probiotics. And the way you can get your probiotics from is no other than yogurt. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, that is natural probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain the balance of your gut microbiome. Look for yogurt with live and active cultures. Enjoy yogurt on its own, add it to your smoothie, or use it as a base for your salad dressing and dips. It's a versatile and tasty way to support your gut. Garlic is another powerful gut-friendly food. It has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties and contains prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Use garlic to flavor your dishes, roast it, mix it into salads, or add it to soups and sauce. Garlic doesn't only enhance the taste but also boost your gut health. I want you to look out for one of my videos on the difference between prebiotics and probiotics and the kind of food that are richly prebiotics and those that are probiotics. Look out for it. I don't know when I will posting it, but definitely I'll do a video on that to clear that confusion of what prebiotics are and what probiotics are. And lastly, we have mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides, particularly beta-glucan, which act as prebiotics to support gut bacteria. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. You can saute mushrooms as a side dish, add them to your soups and stews, or include them in your favorite stir-fry recipes. This just reminded me of when I was much younger that my grandma used to prepare this mushroom delicacy for us. Then I didn't know the benefit, but I can tell you it's very delicious and it's very rich. It's highly proteinous. I think the amount of protein present in mushroom is even more than that you can find in beef. Like if you're taking more of protein, go for mushroom instead of beef, because beef will give you protein, but there are other, especially red meat, beef, you have a lot of side effects, but mushroom will give you that more amount of protein you are getting from beef. It's highly proteinous and it's rich in fiber, and it will help support the good bacteria in your gut. But you have to be on the lookout for the edible one and the non-edible one. There are mushrooms that are edible, quite edible, and there are some that are poisonous. If I have the time, I'll create a video on this to educate you on the edible mushrooms and the poisonous ones, so that you know which one to consume and which one to stay clear of. And there you have it, amazing viewers. I think 7 amazing foods to boost your gut health. Yes, 7, but there are more than these, but this is all I can drop in this video. With time, I'll be dishing out more and more so that you guys keep exploring and keep living healthy. Incorporating this food into your daily diet can make a huge difference in how you feel. So give them a try and let us know in the comments how they work for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy tips and delicious recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.